fading sky. A white cross stands as the moments pass by, weathered by storms yet steady and tall. A symbol of strength that survives it all. Its simple glow on the open land speaks of courage few understand. A silent witness to the hardest days, guiding weary hearts in gentle ways. Like a cross that rises where the shadows fall, holding the weight and still standing tall. A reminder that faith can carry us through when the road is heavy and the sky feels blue. Hope shines brightest when the trials begin, leading the heart to rise again. Footsteps echo on the path below, where people learn from the pain they know. Each sacrifice carved in memory stone, teaching compassion they had never known. The winds of change may chill the air, yet something sacred lingers there. A quiet truth in the open light, that strength is born from the darkest night. Like a cross that rises where the shadows fall, holding the weight and still standing tall. A reminder that faith can carry us through when the road is heavy and the sky feels blue. Hope shines brightest when the trials begin, leading the heart to rise again. On the highest hill